I decided to change my background for my YouTube videos to make it look a little bit nicer. So if you're new to YouTube and you have no idea what you want to do, or maybe you've been doing it for a while and you're looking for new ideas on how to set up your background, here's how I went from this to this. And this is the studio where I record my videos. This used to be a bedroom, since we live in a one-bedroom apartment, so we didn't have much space. So we took out the bed and we turned it into an office. And this is my wife's desk, this is my desk, and this is the background that you see in the videos. So this is what I'm gonna try to fix and make it a little bit nicer. I have this blackout curtain over here that I sometimes use to create complete darkness in the room if I just want to record artificial light. This is the area that you see in the background, and this is what I'm about to clean up. So I'm gonna probably leave this plant over here because plant is a really good item for the background. And then I'm probably gonna leave this guitar, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'm gonna definitely remove this TV when I record, because as you can see right now there is glare from the monitors, and that doesn't always look good. And then we have a headrest here that we deassembled when we took out the bed, so I'm gonna deassemble it a little bit more and put it away. We have these shelves that are a little bit cluttered, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna add some lights to make it for a nice background and nice accent color. And for that I'm going to be using this Govee RGB IC, where IC stands for independent control, meaning that this 16.4 feet LED strip is divided into sections, and you can control what color you want for each individual section. And that's going to be really good for these shelves, because as you can see I have 6 shelves right here, so I can individually adjust whatever color I want for each shelf. And then I'm going to take this plexiglass poster, which is the poster that I got for my birthday, that's right now hanging above my wife's desk, because this is the place where I used to have my desk, and I'm gonna move it to that wall to fill up the empty wall. And if I have enough LED strip, I'm gonna try to put it behind the poster, so that way this poster can get some nice illumination. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the shelves are clean. Now I put away some stuff, but I'm just leaving it on the side because I'm going to fill them up a little bit, and maybe I won't use all of this stuff. Some of it I already put away, but most of it, like the books, that box is going to go there, and the pictures are going to go here as well. I'm just going to see how much space I'm going to have, how spaced out it is, and I'm going to see how it looks when I'm going to put on the light. But before I do that, I need to decide where to put my plexiglass poster, because I only have 16.4 feet of LED strip, and it needs to go for all the shelves as well as reach under the plexiglass poster. So let me go ahead and do that. So I finished putting the LEDs on the shelves, and now the next thing that I'm gonna do is, I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna stick it on the wall or just kind of hang it over these ropes. Let's see how that works out. Let me move these shelves back close to the wall, and then we'll see how we're gonna do it. It was more tedious than I thought, but I only used the sticky tape on the corners. So I removed the paper cover and I just basically glued the corners. And this was only enough for one side, so that's perfectly fine. And now I'm going to put the poster and I'm going to see how it looks. Done, guys, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there are different segments that I can make different colors. They don't exactly match the squares, but they create different colors in different shelves, so that kind of looks nice. And this one I just made plain white for now. These are not the final colors, I was just playing with it, but it just tells you what you can do with it. And once I turn on that one, let me actually see. Yeah, so this is what it's gonna look like on the background. But of course I'm not done. I have a lot of stuff to put on the shelves, and after that we're gonna see what the final result looks like. But it's a little late already. As you can see, it's 1:20, almost 1:20 in the morning, so I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's a new day, and last time we finished there. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and put the books on the shelves and finalize what I was gonna do. So let's go ahead. And that's it. I'm finally done. It's 2:00 p.m. Right now, the next day. And this is what my background now looks like. I cleaned it up a little bit, add a little bit of accent color to make it a little bit better for the eyes. I think that was a pretty cheap way to do it because the lights cost me about $20 and you can control individual segments. That's why you see different colors for different shelves right there. It doesn't support Amazon or Google Assistant, but for $20 you can find better lights because these are app controlled, so you can control the brightness. There's tons of features on the app. You can set up different moods, DIY mode, music mode, and overall The background doesn't look too bad. I wish I had a single solid light for that plexiglass poster that I have, because it looks like little dots. But even like that, I think it looks pretty decent. If you enjoyed the video and it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about the usual stuff such as economy, crypto, stocks, and all that stuff. And I'll see you all in the next one.